घेऊत का व्हिडिओ? Hello guys, a very good morning, and I'm here at Tagore Beach, Karwar, finally to start my another ride that is from Karwar to Goa. So let's get started with the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's me Saurabh Punaji starting up with this brand new video. So before continuing with the video, I want to wish you all a very happy new year 2026. And this ride is going to be my first ride of 2026 and also the continuation of the previous video. Today in this video we'll be traveling back to Goa from Karwar. It's going to be almost a 94-kilometer journey. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So currently it's 7:15 AM in the morning and a pleasant weather today of almost around 20 to 25 degrees. Hopefully it will not get too hot during the peak hours and we'll have a comfortable journey today. So currently I am walking on the Kali River bridge, and behind me you can see the sunrise and the Kali River. So the plan for today also is going to be same, of maintaining 15 kilometers average speed. The first 40 kilometers for today's ride is going to be a bit tough, as we'll be approaching the ghats more sooner as compared to the previous ride. So we'll be getting a first climb in around 10 kilometers and then the Karmal Ghat. Completed around 11 kilometers of the journey, and till now facing purely headwind, which is making the ride a bit difficult. Stopping for a quick tea break. Let's see if it's available. चार सा कहता तुमका वीडियो घेऊत का व्हिडिओ? So just now had my breakfast, and the shop owners were quite good, but they were pretty shy to come on the camera, so I didn't shoot much. Had idli, sambar and chutney and a cup of tea, and now continuing with the journey. And there is the Polem checkpost. So soon about to cross the Goa checkpost, and then we'll be in Goa. So far the ride is going good. Completed around 14 kilometers of the journey. So completed around 22 kilometers of the journey, and behind me you can see the Galjibagh beach, one of the scenic place to visit in South Goa, and also the cleanest beach of Goa. Margaon is more 53 kilometers from here. Currently at Galjibagh. Today's ride will surely take more time, as I am constantly stopping to see such beautiful views. Currently at the Talpona bridge, and besides me is the Talpona river. Completed around 25 kilometers of the ride. So reached Kandkona, almost covered 28 kilometers of the ride, and Margaon is more 49 kilometers, and there I can see another cyclist. Cycling is all about exploring new places, new people, and living your life. The road on my left goes to the Palolem beach, which is one of the famous beaches in South Goa, where you can do kayaking and other activities. That's the Bhumi Purush temple. And the climb of Karmal Ghat. Let's see how it goes. Done with 32 kilometers of the ride, and finally we are starting the climb of the Karmal Ghat. Look at this road, guys. It is so scenic. We have almost covered the Ghat climb. I feel around more 1 kilometer left, and we have reached at the Shakti Ganpati temple. Almost at the peak of the Karmal Ghat, and then it's full downhill. Was such a fun, total adrenaline rush. We are done with the Karmal Ghat, and now mostly it's all flat roads. Let's stop here to have tender coconut. So let's continue the journey. Completed 42 kilometers of the ride. Reached Pali, and on my left is the Shantadurga temple. Had stopped for a quick break, and Margao is almost 8 kilometers from here, and completed around 55 kilometers of the ride. So far it's going good. So if you go straight, you go to the Margao city, but I'll be taking the bypass. The last climb of the day. More around 5 kilometers left to complete the ride. And there we go, guys, finally completed our ride. The last 15 kilometers was pretty much difficult due to the heat, but we made it. So that was all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please press that like button, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you all in the next video.